remove everything first, constant polymesh, and then run blockMesh, and then snappyHexMesh override. There is some problem. Let me try to fix that. The location in mesh we have not set correctly. This should be outside the rotating zone. Rotating zone, it has negative 0.15. I'll select something like this. Once I do this, then also the same problem. Let me again remove everything to blockMesh, then try snappyHexMesh. Let's do these one by one. Clearly there is some problem with the cylinder. This is square, this is square, and this is cylinder. That's why there is a problem. And similarly here. Now it has created these. So without any rotating zone, it should clearly show the interface. Now let's turn on the snapping, because there was no snapping, that's why it did not happen. It's still not working. Here you can see that we have this empty type for the sides. Always make sure whenever you are using snappyHexMesh, it should not have any wedge or empty kind of boundary condition. We'll replace this with patch, and then once our snappyHexMesh is done, then we'll manually edit this. Now if I remove everything again and then run blockMesh and then run snappyHexMesh, then you can see it is working fine.